All right, we're out here with Budman and OG Red and Chad, and we got a little grave digger action going on in the back of the K10. He's out on a mission. We're at Reedy Creek. The last time I was out here, I was on 445s. Now we're on 475s with the flat skid and no bumpers. So should do a little better than it did. Oh, and Budman's got like the searingly bright lights on that thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, Chad's got a new rig. It's looking good. You got to tilt your camera in to show what's in the bed of my truck. Rick's got some scale accessories.
One may be a fade case. And my weathering job on my Forerunner has went horribly wrong.
I think it just needs to be darkened. I really do.
It definitely needs some work.
It's just a little too bright.
He wouldn't let me weather it the way I wanted to.
Which was, oh yeah. All right. Let me get ahead of you here. We got the two Chevys out here. Trying to learn from you guys. I realize that probably most of the time I'm videoing, I'm not close enough to the trucks.
First, we got Budman coming through. Budman is out with us on a short run.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a hot day.
Ugh.
Watch Kevin Hart Road.
Your truck's complaining.
Man got a little bit of body rub.
It's saying,
Budman got a lot of body rub.
Tires get wet, it'll help a little bit.
oh, I probably need to clean my lens. I keep forgetting that.
Oh, sorry.
No.
I fell over every time I went out there. Keep trying to go too much.
Straight axle problems.
I keep trying to go too much. I want to make that turn without having to straighten up.
Smashing that front tire.
Yeah, I kind of think that's what caused him to flip early. He just ran out of room.
Oh.
I need to raise it up just a little bit.
I'll get them front quarters a chop.
Oh. Very nice. Oh.
get your back step with. It's a doozy.
Oh, you aren't kidding.
Help you out, Rick?
I'm good. It does do so much better, I think, with the larger tires.
Coming up on the tree behind you.
All right. Whoop. Coming around a tree.
And do not take one more.
Oh, one short one here.
Yeah, with 1 foot.
Oh, come on, you can do it. There you go.
Rick got some servo in this thing now.
That old Chevy does look good though. I love the old Chevy. What year is that? Oh, that's my gear body style too. 70 now.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a 78, I think.
Yeah, mine's a 77.
All the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, probably show a little further to the right. Yeah, I got that flat skid on it now, too.
They took her got her some lifeless section, flattened her belly out.
Woo! All right, OG Rad bringing his weathered 4Runner. I really do think you just need to darken it down. It would be perfect if you were out in the desert.
I'm gonna hit it with some darker rust,
Yeah.
like lightly on top of everything.
But see, I've had a lot of piece of crap red cars, and they fade just like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, can't you put it in your
Try this again.
car?
No, my put in rusty crap in my car.
Put it in the floorboard.
I got 3 trucks. I don't put anything in my car.
Okay. Chad, tell me if I'm gonna fall.
I'll do my best.
All right.
Stock loose is very well broken out.
Oh.
He gonna make sure he gets straight before he tries.
Yeah, he coming all the way down here.
I definitely should.
I bet it could have got in where I went. Oh, look at that.
These springs for the win.
I didn't even notice. This is your leafer?
Oh yeah. Come my way.
That's a good.
You're on that route.
It's a good thing, though.
Oh, that I didn't notice.
Yeah, you didn't notice it was illegal.
Oh, I see them now. I'm paying attention. Yep.
Nice headlights in that thing.
Yeah.
This is a line I have never taken in this thing.
You got a lot of belly clearance. Oh, punch out. Ah! Look, he dumped his whole load. He's got new wheels and tires on it already.
No, it comes that way.
No, he got different wheels on it. Oh, stock tires though.
Stock tires.
Stock tires. He's got some brass on order. And he said his lights were dim for some reason. So they're not even on anymore. This thing's nice. It's got the rock rails and the bumpers and a really short rear overhang.
You said you're gonna make a little bed for the back of it and accessory it out, ain't you?
He said he's going to put that spare tire up there. Take the foam out of it so it's not so heavy.
Yeah, Chris has got a 3D printer. I think I'm gonna give him my green truck and tell him to make a body. Just go do whatever you want.
And Chad is the master of driving his truck 30 or 40 feet away. He's like way down. I don't even see. He can't see his truck.
Seeing's overrated. You gotta.
He does it by feel.
You gotta let the force be with you.
Yeah. We're just blocking his view. So.
Oh, you're talking about me? Yeah. I'm standing right in front of him. I had both of them standing here earlier when I was trying to get back. That's why I went too far to the left and I couldn't see what I was doing. I was like, I figured if it don't go, I'll adjust.
He really is good at driving it when he's standing so far away. All right. Woo-wee. Bringing them Chevys down. Thank you for putting the rocks in there, Bud Man. Well, he's taking the hard line.
This thing's short wheelbase ride, so.
This obstacle already have me shaking in my boots. This might be one of my
There he goes.
hardest obstacles to get through on that leaf.
It's a good looking truck.
I was gonna keep this more hard. I own that for you then. I want to re-spring truck. I want to do this. I want to sit back there.
Whoop.
I thought to bring my Unimog today too. But I had cleaned and lubed it up and it was just looking so good. I ain't wanna. I knew it had rained last night.
There. Following Bud Man's lead there. Woo. All right. What size tires are these things?
4.19.
Oh boy, you really are on tiny tires.
Probably shouldn't even attempt this off.
You take the pink helmet line.
I think I'm gonna have to.
I just keep remembering your description of that. Oh, wait. You got a little assist coming here. Just got to get that front bumper over. Is all. Oh. Well, you got those orange surfboard skid things in your truck. Oh, I don't know.
Use it on the tires. Hang on, back up. Run the tires up.
Yeah.
I didn't have wide enough for you.
Yeah.
Try that.
course, he's got you way over to the left too. Oh, it's gonna do it. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh.
Out of articulation.
Oh, that didn't sound good. You got it. Oh.
Get it to go up like you just did, pump it.
Oh, he's dumping his little body bags out. So we know now that he used a little chainsaw last night. Yeah. He called me up. He said, Rick, bring the shovel and the pickaxe and the axe. We got some digging to do. The hook stayed in or you repositioned it? What's going on with that?
That is definitely transfer case skid I'm on.
There we go.
I was past.
Yep. Just trying to throw them body parts out of the bed. Again, dropping that.
Filming, I'm sorry.
That's all good. I wasn't getting over anyway. Could have had 3 hands.
Oh. Oh, yeah. There he goes.
I don't know what you're going to do.
Sitting on the axle. There he goes.
Dang leafers.
Yeah, it was caught good. I figured if you didn't have it done by the time I got the bags done, y'all can see my face right now. It'd be all jelly.
Ain't got a scratch on it.
Peanut butter and jelly too.
Yeah. Me and Rav, when we got to get together and when we buy them, we got to buy them different colors. We can't buy them the same color.
Mm.
You got cool bodies. Yeah.
Or we'll just go together and buy it, and then I'll drive it once, and you drive it once, and I'll drive it once, and you drive it once.
Okay, we got an SR5.
I think you need to fight off more. Go back and
Come back to the left
fight
more.
off more.
So you need to go for it.
There he goes.
Yeah, I don't think you need to rush.
He's made it look easy.
Actually, fight off more. He took it straight out the showroom and drove it here.
He stopped at a rim shop.
Yeah, he did stop at a rim shop.
Yeah, looking good. Got the whole fleet out here now.